Point of sales, adding an account and a login. In this tutorial, we are going to be adding an account table and its CRUD operations for users. We will also be implementing a login as well. Let's start coding. Alright, let's go to our folder. We are going to grab this latest one here, Control C, Control V, and rename that guy to 8. Alright, let's see what we can do in here. Last time we did this guy, what did we do with this? Oh yeah, we rename customers or account to customers in order to get ready for the login. Well, before we do the login, we're gonna need a couple of things. I mentioned that in the last video, so I am going to grab the stuff from the previous video. Now, if you have not watched this, it is the password keeper. All right, it is a password keeper. So, and they are, let me see how many there are. Where are you, password keeper? Right here, password keeper. So the video is a password keeper. Be sure to watch from module 1 to module 11 how I implement the module, password keeper. The final outcome for this application is usable application. All right, so be sure to watch that, and you can use it at your house. All right, let's go in there, grab that guy. All right, we are going to need the table, access row table. We are going to need account row. Okay, let's see the query. Now the query will only need account list. How about the form? The form, we are going to need account, subform account, so that we can manage the account. We also need a login. I think that's it. If we need something else, we come back and grab it, but I don't think we are going to need anything else. Now we're going to need access row, access row constant, access row DB. Well, you know what? I don't think we need access. Well, let's grab that just in case. We're going to need account DB, and that's that. We don't need anything else. Just that. All right, let's select all. All right, let's take a look at the two tables. Access row, good. How about account row? Good. All right. No account row, the account, but here's the account row. Good, good, good. Only one administrator. All right. Let's see. What about this guy? Account list. Perfect. No hiccups. All right. So we're gonna modify a couple of things here. As a matter of fact, let's not modify anything yet. Not just yet. What we want, though, is to let me show you what we want. We are going to add account in here, another tab for account. All right, so but before we do that, just like these guys, we gotta massage these forms. All right, it's not much, it's just a couple of places, not a whole lot. You'll see how fast it will work here. Let's take a look at this customer. We want to conform to the same look and feel. Okay, this guy does not have header. All right, let's go to account, and we want to remove the header. So right click on that detail tab, click on the form header. Are you sure you want to remove this? Yes. There. All right, and so let's flip back to the customer. Okay, I see there's a bit of space between the top and these controls. So let's conform to that. I'm gonna close this out for now. Select all. Move move the arrow up there. All right. How about the bottom? Smidgen space right there, and the side, smidgen space, just like that. All right. So let's double check on this. This looks good. We don't really want to expand this all the way down. So let's take a look at this guy. Make sure that they don't expand all the way down. Oh yeah, we're gonna take that out because there are only a couple of rows, so we don't need to expand all the down. It won't look good. So top left on this guy. How about this guy? What does it look like here? Let's look at this. Oh, top right. We don't want that. We don't want it to move to the right side. Let's top left. All right. I think the rest is good. Let's take a look at this guy. Yep. I think the rest is good. That's it. That's all we have to do on this one. Control S. Close that down. Also close this down. One last thing that we need to do is the subform. All right. One last thing. Let's go to the back code behind here. You see this right here? See there? I'm going to show you how this works. It's real easy. So that code behind, if we open up the customer right here, I'm going to show you how this thing works. See there? Just copy this guy and then pop back to the or close it, and then we're back in here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to paste that guy there, and here we're going to change the txt account ID just like that top one. This will be account ID just like that top one, and here we can say display account. That's it. And then there, Control S. Let's see what happened to the form here. I noticed something here. When we open this guy, unload, looking for unload, is what's going on unload. I'm trying to think where. Let me see. I want to find out where the source, if it has source anything. There you go. On open, on form open. All right. Now these right here, we don't need to do this. We don't need to do this because we only have one form. All right. Now in the login, in the password keeper, we use the account list 2 places, and that's why we did this part. All right. So I am going to remove this guy. Okay, because this account list only lists one place. So I'm just gonna take that guy out, and back to this guy. See this source right here? See there? I'm gonna take that out too. All right, and make sure we don't have anything. We don't have any source here. So, oh, we do. Oh, not that one. It's a txt source. So let's add txt source. Good. Perfect. Yeah, we removed that on the bottom there. Remember? Control S. And that's it. I think that's it. All right, let's close both of them. Now, we are going to add this to the admin. All right, I'm looking at this thing. I want to move this customer to right before company. So I'm going to do some adjustment. All right, and this is the admin 5. I'm going to change this right here. Actually, I'm just going to copy this portion and then change the bag to 6. And then move that guy, if I can grab it, and kind of slide it right over that guy. See there? It comes right over. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be 4. 3. Uh-oh, try again. 1, 2. That should be 2. That will be 3. Now you don't have to do this, all right? I'm just trying to be technical here. That would be 4. I'm just trying to be technical here. And then we're going to add account and then company. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to go ahead and change this guy to 6. All right. Now let's type in FRM account like that. See there? Now I put that guy in my clipboard. I'm going to make this guy a 5. See there? Account like that. And move this booger up there 1 notch like that. See there? That's how that works. Control S. We're almost done. Let's go back in here. Let's make a copy. Oh, look at this. Look at that. No wonder we had some issues with the color, right? So let's change that to 5 and make a copy of that guy. There. We got dark green. Let's see, we got dark red, brown, orange, purple, green. How about this guy? How about dark something? Okay, dark blue. All right, that's all right. That'll work. And then right here, 5 is going to be our account, and 4 is going to be customer. I'm going to copy that and type in customer. Double click there like that. All right, because we swapped that guy around. And then copy this guy, paste. Now we move the company. This is the company. All right, and that looks good right there. Control S. Also, I want to change this color right here. I want to see if I can do something fancy. That looks, yeah. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. See if it barks at us. All right. So let's jump to it. Account. Bam. Okay. We removed. Yeah, that's fine. We removed the header. All right. That lives in the header. So I'm going to take that out. Control S and click F5 or just little icon here. Play and continue. So I'm going to close this down. Double click. Wow. No glitch. How about edit? Save. Perfect. Does it really save? Click. I'm gonna edit this one. I'm gonna reverse this one. 4, 3, 2, 1. See if it saves. Move away. Move back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Good. Good. That's perfect right there. Look at that. Without glitch. Without glitch. Look at that. The highlight is lime green. You see how we highlighted with the lime green? Okay, except that guy. Huh. I notice if we click here and move away, it only responds to the first and the last. Only the last one. Anyways, that's fine. But we got all that. We got all that. Isn't that cool? All right, let's see if we can implement the login. All right, let's take a look at login. Um, see how we're gonna do this. Yeah, let's do this. Good, good. So what we want to do here, I'm going to go into the design mode right here, and then let's see what login does here. There you go. So, okay, we don't have menu here. We don't have menu here. So in this main navigation right here, so in that main navigation, let's do that. Let's open up main navigation. All right. You know what? Before we go, I wanna grab this header right here, color. See this back color right here? Copy, and I'm gonna come over here, and this color right here, like so. Just like that. I think that's good. That's fine. All right. Yeah, that's fine. All right. And now we are going to add we are going to add a login and logout, just like we did with the other one. All right. So I'm going to drop this guy down just a tad, and that's a label. Copy, paste, and I'm going to move this guy right there, and then label this guy log in as, just like that, login as, and then we're going to do align right. All right. As a matter of fact, we're going to remove all that gibberish, and then I'm going to make a copy of this guy. Copy, paste, move this guy up just a tad, and here I'm going to name this guy log out. That's a label, by the way. Log out, log off. Let's conform to this guy, log off, just like that. All right, just like that. Now I want the hand. All right, I want the hand to look right. I want the hand to look right. So come in here to the hyperlinks right here, address. If you just click on that and tap into a tab, it will make that a hand. That's all, and hit enter. So there should be a space right there, which you can't see, but it is. All right. Also, in here, in there, I want to add a link, just like that. All right. And I'm gonna move this subroutine way up there. Copy, remove, delete that one, move it all the way up here, like that. All this one does is just do command open form, and then we'll say form login. That's all. All right. Once we do that, we'll say do command close AC form, and then we'll just put in form main navigation. That's it. Control S. That's all we need to do. All right, that's all we need to do. Now on this form, then we need to have display login. About display login. Oh, need to add this guy right there. I wasn't. Yeah, no wonder I was mesmerized a little bit there. All right. So now display login. In order to do this display login, we're gonna need to add a hidden control. So let's add this guy. Just a little guy right there. And we're gonna call this little guy txt account ID, just like that. All right. Now on this guy, we're gonna make this instead of private, make it public, because we are going to call it from the login. Now we'll say if not is no me account, then see there, and we're gonna add we are going to need to add o account as account, like so. And now we'll say if account db access account exists, and then we're gonna pass in the o account me account, then and then we'll say me login as caption equals, we say logged in as o account first name, o account last name, and then we'll say me log off visible true. And then we are going to default this guy control as a matter of fact, in the onload right here, I'm thinking right here, header, footer, navigation. Okay, we're gonna default this guy to false. Actually, yeah, false. That's right. All right, so that's how that works. All right, that's how that works. Yeah, you know what? Let's do it right here as well. Somehow I just felt like I needed to do it right there too. All right, so that's what it's going to look like. So if that account number doesn't exist, it's going to do that, but it will always exist because otherwise it will not open. All right, that's the idea. So it will always exist, otherwise it will not open. All right, let's go back to our login. Where's our login? Right here. All right, see right here. See right here. When we click login, so here then we are going to, I'm going to come over here, order subform. Yeah, in the order of subform. Let's see what it looks like in the order of subform. Order subform. this guy. Let's see. I am looking. There you go. This is what I'm looking for. That way I don't have to type. You see. Okay. Oh yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna copy that and then come in here. So I'm gonna do like so, and then move this guy to right there. Delete that dot, just like that. And then I'm gonna copy this guy. Copy like that. And then I think we have display login right here. I'm gonna copy that like that. As a matter of fact, even before we get there, hold on. We want to do, there are a couple of things that we have to do here. You see, account. Let's see what happens here. Access. Did we misspell? If account DB access. There. It's logged in the ID. Is it in here? Is it row exists by ID? Let's see, what is that? So we're gonna say not that one. It's OACC. There you go. That's what we're looking for. Account ID. And then there's access row constant admin. There you go. So then else, just like that. Good, good. So what we want to do here, we want to identify on this login if it's admin. If it's admin, then we want to open, and then we'll say do command open form, and then we'll just type in main navigation. All right. Once we open main navigation, we set this guy, and then we display login. Good. And then I'm going to copy this guy. And then we're going to do the same. And you know what? That's fine. And then we're going to do the same for the POS. All right. We're going to do the same just like POS. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the POS right here in the design view. You know what? I think the header needs to be the same as this guy. We need to add the header, so I'm going to do that. And then before I'm going to grab this color first. See there? So basically you kind of mimic things right here, there. And now I'm going to pull this guy down, and I'm going to copy all the controls, copy, come in here, see there, and I'm going to shorten it out. Now in here there's a display company, display header and all that, header and footer. Oh, there's a footer here as well. So let's do the footer as well. Almost forgot about footer. Let's go there, grab this guy, click on the footer and change that name, hit enter. Perfect. Now go back and grab these two labels on the bottom, copy. That way they have the same look and feel. All right. And this guy right here, I'm gonna push all the way out there, and not only that, I'm gonna see what this guy is. Perfect, perfect. And even this guy, and that guy, I am going to move these guys all the way. Oh, did I miss? No, I didn't. Maybe one more notch right there. This guy, that looks good right there. Perfect. Control S. So that will be all. Yeah, that will be all POS. And here we can go ahead and say POS sales entry, something like that. You can do whatever. All right, so let's go back to here and go to the form design. Go back to the code behind. We need to grab these two guys. All right, copy POS, put it way on top there. That's fine, right there. And then let's go back to the main. On the bottom here, right here says copy, says display footer. Go back. I'm gonna put this on the very bottom. Display footer, header footer. I'm gonna go back to main, and then now you don't have to do this directory folder validation here, because I assume manager or the admin is going to set up this guy. Let's see, right here. I'm going to copy this guy and then go back to this guy, see the preset, and I'm going to put right before that guy. Control S. And that should look exactly the same as this guy. All right, that should look exactly the same as that guy. See that, the real top, that. All right, now let's go to login. We're almost done, by the way. I mean, we're moving real fast, I think. All right, right here we can say form POS. All right, and then here we just say form POS. Here, form POS. See how simple that is? That's it. That's all she wrote. So if we open this guy, this is what we're going to display. If open this guy, this is what we're going to display. All right. So let's see it. I'm going to close this out. Actually, I'm going to close all. Close all. Hopefully no hiccups here. You know what? If there's no hiccup, would be awesome. All right. So I'm going to log in as myself. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Log in. Is it J in front? Nope. What is it? Hold on. What is it? Don't tell me. Oh, 4, 3, 2. Duh. No wonder. I thought we changed that. Let's go back. Yeah. See there? Well, it did what it's supposed to do. Alright. So I'm going to move this guy here. Control S. It should be just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. Oh, duh. You know what? My bad. Yeah, my bad. Here's the same way. Yes, things like that. You gotta be quick sometimes. There you go. See there? Oh yeah. See, we need to move this guy all the way to the right. You see there? Not bad. How about log off? Look at that. Oh my gosh. You're good. Let's go back to this nav right here. We need to change a couple of things here. All right. First off, these guys right here. Actually, I'm gonna move this guy just a tad there, and then we're gonna say arrange top right like that, and that will fix it. All right. Yeah, let's do it again. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. But hold on, let me take a look at. Well, actually, yeah. Let's do log in again. Log in again. Uh, Look at that. Logged in as Jack Panyacon. Now I can go manage this guy. I want to see this guy's. So this guy is logged in is D last name. All right. So now I can log off. Let's do. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's do that. I forgot to define this guy. That's all right. So as long as you know what you are doing, all right. We need old company here. All right, as company. As long as you know what you are debugging, you gotta be quick. All right, you gotta be quick. If you're not quick, you're gonna have issues. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and copy that guy, move back up there. That's so I don't have to make sure that this guy is right. Okay, I'm gonna stop this guy and close that. Try it again. Save. Yes. Let's try that again. Look at that. How about? Oh, what happened here? We didn't do that. All right, we didn't do that. Not that one. My bad. POS. I was thinking about the log out. How come you didn't go to the log in when you log out? So, but we're gonna find out. This guy is. Yeah, we gotta do this. See right here. We gotta make sure all those guys go right. See there? It didn't select. All right, Control S. Now, when we did this, what happened? Oh, it went. Oh, got you. So we need to like that. That's what needs to happen. No wonder. All right, let's try that again. We're getting real close. We are getting real close, and you know what? You'll be happy to get done with this. Let's do DP there. Oops. Look at that. How nice. Does it still add? Look at that. Does it still add? Good. That is pretty nifty. All right. Let's cancel. Yep. How about if I log off? How about that? All right, I'm gonna log back in. Actually, I'm going to enter wrong password. Invalid. Good. How about that? We're almost done, by the way. Oh, we got the log in, log out. Oh yeah. Before I forget, brother. Let's see this option right here. we are going to change the database, current database. See how it says navigation? Now we're going to point it to the login. You see, all right, to S. Okay, that's fine. And then we're not done yet. See this cancel right here? All right. Actually, we don't need to cancel. We don't need to cancel. It's just going to be login, and that's it. All right, login. So I'm going to do this and prevent it from. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like here. So that's all we need. We either have a login or exit. All right, or just like that. Okay. So I want to massage this just a tad. You know what? I'm just going to make this guy right there. Looks a little better there. Like that. And the login name and the password right here, I'm going to kind of dress it up just a tad, because I just want to dress it up just a tad. Yeah, login name, back color, we are going to conform to all light peach. All right, that way it looks right. Password, back color light peach. All right, and one more thing that we need to conform. If you look at this main right here, see, as I'm typing, I've got my head thinking like a couple steps ahead. You see how we comment this out right here? I'm gonna copy that. As a matter of fact, now we're just gonna get rid of, well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna copy the whole thing. I'm gonna copy the whole thing and delete that. That's the main navigation. All right. And now I'm just going to come to the login right here. Right next to this on load right here, I'm going to paste it there. So now, if we happen to click on that X, it's just going to shut the whole thing down. All right. Just going to shut the whole thing down. And let's see. I want to see some, oops, not that one. Do I click on the wrong one? Yeah, let's close that down. I want to see something on here. Is there anything that I can do to here? Yeah. So let's go to top. Auto center right here. Sometimes that works. All right, Control S. Just change that auto center. See if it works. All right. So watch this. Nice. Auto center. And check this out. We're almost done. I thought we got done. Right there where we color this guy right here. Let's move the focus to login name. All right. Control S. Close. Check this out. Bing, bing. Now you don't have to move the mouse over there. You just start typing. This would be problematic. You know what? Yeah, we can do this right here. All right. We can do it right there. The reason being is because, let me show you why. I just noticed, yeah, see how we say it right here? When we log in and we close, you see there? On close, it's going to do that. We don't want that. Okay, so We're gonna take that out. We don't want that to happen. Otherwise, it's gonna, it's gonna shut the whole thing down. So my bad. As I was thinking out loud too. Well, some part of it in my head. All right. So, but yeah, but we can do it right here. But we can do it right here and add that button back. Cancel, click. But we can do it right here. Quit. Yep, you can do that. We can do that. So, yeah, we can do that. Let's go to the design. We're gonna add that button back right there. Copy, paste as a. Ooh, what happened there, Mister? Copy, paste. That's better. Exit. And then we're gonna change this guy to cancel. Command cancel. And then this guy will be double click on that guy there. All right. So if we happen to say exit, it just shut the whole thing down. All right. Shut the whole thing down. But in the normal POS, you never shut the whole thing down. It always stays open. As a normal application, you never, for the POS, you never shut the thing down. So let's conform to that. Yeah, let's conform to that. On the second thought, let's get rid of that. And yeah, let's conform to that. Let's get rid of this. We don't want to cancel. But we can close AC form, and then we're gonna say me. That's it. All right, this is it. So all she wrote. That's all we come to do. All right. So we prompt it, and we log in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit enter. Good. Exit. Oh, log off. You know what? That's not good. Let's fix that. You see what happened there? You see what happened there? We need to make it log off. So how do you do that? Good question. You come to the right side here, Alt tab. You see where the controls? No controls. All right. It's a dialog and no controls. So now we should not have any controls. Let's take a look. See, no control. All right. So I'm gonna close that. So if we do this, we do the same thing with this guy, because we are forcing them to click log off. You see, come right here, control, looking for control, no. All right. So now if we go log in, enter, you see there, you cannot click up there. Oh, it does. What happened? It shouldn't minimize. When log off, let's try that again. Log off the log in. You double click, it minimizes. Now that's first, but you can maximize it. So let's take a look why. Oops. Yeah. Dialog. No. Control no. Close no. Oh, enable none. That could be the reason. Alright, so that could be the reason. Let's go to main navigation. No. Control S. Let's double check on the POS. Good. All right. So we know this guy works. All right. We test several times now, so we know this guy works as planned. All right. So we cancel that. It will be like so. All right. But now there's one thing left to do. These orders right here. Now, if you take a look, we don't know who adds these guys. What we need here though, we need to make sure we add the user account, the account ID in here, so that we follow who does the job. All right. For example, John Doe logs in and he works on the POS. We want to know the orders John Doe did. All right, or any employee. All right, so that will be next. All right, but for now, we got the login, log out. All right, we got the login, log out, and in the future, in the next video, not the future, in the next video, we are going to try to implement the add the user or account user account to the orders and the transaction. All right, that way we can keep track of the number of sales each person does each day. All right, so that will be it. And that's all for now. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.